Channel Maths and Methods Academy. Today we are going to solve a quadratic equation with the help of the method that is called completing the square. So let's get on with our solution. Our given question is 3x square plus 7x is equal to 0. In these types of question, our first step is to separate x values and those values which are without x. Those terms which are without x. But in this case, we already have all the x values on the left side and we don't have any term which is without x. So our first step is already over, this is not there. And the second step is we have to make the x square term without any coefficient, like its coefficient should be 1. So what we will do, we will divide the equation, all the terms of the equation by 3. So 3x squared over 3 plus 7 over 3x is equal to 0 over 3. 3 cancels with 3, so we are left with x squared plus 7 over 3x is equal to 0. Now we will go for the completion of the square on the left side, but before that we will compare it with the complete square with the formula which we have, which is a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So when we compare left side of this formula with the left side of the above equation, x square corresponds to a square, x corresponds to a. Now we don't have anything to compare with, especially in the middle term we must have a 2. So what we will do, we will introduce the 2 here, multiply by 2 and divide by 2 to keep the value same. Now we will write the left side again like this, x squared plus, now we can write a 2 here which corresponds to this. A is x and b will be the remaining part. What is the remaining part? 7 over 3 into 2 is the remaining part, so that is 7 over 6. So now x corresponds to a and this remaining part will correspond to b. And we can see that the next term in the formula is b square. So in order to complete this expression for a complete square, we have to add the square of 7 over 6. And since we are working with an equation, so we have to do the same on the other side of the equation as well. So now left side is our complete square of x plus 7 over 6 is equal to square of 7 over 6. We will apply square root on both sides. Don't forget to put plus minus, because square root of plus is also plus and square root of minus is also plus. So the left side comes out to be x plus 7 over 6 is equal to plus minus, right side is plus minus 7 over 6. So x is equal to minus 7 over 6 plus minus 7 over 6. We will have two values of x. X is equal to minus 7 over 6 plus 7 over 6, or x is equal to minus 7 over 6 and again minus 7 over 6. These two terms cancel, so x is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 14 over 6, which can further be simplified, minus 7 over 3. So our solution set is equal to 0 and minus 7 over 3, which is the answer of this question. That's all for now. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe this video. Until the next time, please take care of yourself and bye bye.